Okay, we've got Word, Skill 2.9, 2.10, and 2.11, creating bulleted lists, numbered lists, and multi-level lists. A little ahead of myself here, showing you the multi-level list. So let's take a look at something here. There's some fruits I really like. Here's a list of them in no particular order. This would be a bulleted list. When you don't have to show order of things, you want to use a bulleted list. If you already have things listed out and there's a enter or carriage return between them, you can go ahead and select your list of things. Up here on the Home tab in the Paragraph section is the Bullets button. You click on that and it'll apply bullets to it. Pretty simple there. You can see how to apply a bulleted list. Another thing I want to show you here is if you want to just create them on the fly, you can either click on the button before you start typing and then let's see, and then type. Every time you hit enter, it'll bring you down to another one, and if I'm done, hit enter the second time and it'll get rid of it. Go back out of that. Another thing you can do is put the asterisk in, spacebar, type in your word, it automatically does it for you, and then you're working with your list. I want to show you this again when we get to numbered lists, which are next. So now here's a list of my favorite colors in order of my preference. Anytime you want to show a priority or precedence, you want to use a numbered list. That'll give you, like it sounds, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 on down. So you want to use a numbered list. Go ahead, just like we did before. Instead of clicking the bullet list button or the bullets button, we click the numbering button. Click that, it puts the numbers on there for us. So you can see black is my favorite color, orange is next, blue, gold, red, white, and that's using a numbered list. To do the same over here, like with the bullet list, I can click on it and then type in my stuff. And then when I'm done, I can just hit enter the second time. Whoa. And like with the bullets, where I put an asterisk with the numbers, I put the number, put it in there, type, hit enter. Well, the book said it would do that, but it doesn't work. So just do numbered lists using the button. Those are numbered lists. Multi-level lists. Here's an example of a multi-level list. A lot of your outlines are going to be multi-level lists. Multi-level list buttons right here. You have a number of different options you can choose from. You can choose 1, A, I in these formats. You can do the outline format this way. A number of different. You can do just icons or picture bullets there. Basically, with the multi-level list, I'm going to scroll down here. Use enter and tab to control this. So if I'm on the first level, I can type some stuff. If I hit enter, it's going to take me down there. If I want to move it over into the next level, I hit the tab key. That'll move me over more stuff. See, and I can do even more stuff. Now if I want to even go over further, tab key again. Stuff. Now if I want to go back, I can do two things. I can hit enter again. So hit enter once, hit enter again, takes me to the next level. Another thing I can do is I can hit shift tab, and that does the same thing. So enter moves you down a line, tab moves it over from there, shift tab moves it back, or hitting enter again will move it back also. So that's a way to use multi-level lists. Your code word for this is HELP. That's HELP.